I ate it all.
Oh, he really loves that.
All done.
Hi, family. Welcome to the HelloFresh studio. Are you a picky eater?
It depends. I'm sort of a picky eater with some foods.
Vegetables I don't like.
Asparagus, eggs. There's like green stuff, like all green stuff. I melt of right now. I don't like eating crickets.
This is a meal from HelloFresh. What do you think?
He's a little unsure.
He doesn't know about this one.
Yeah, she's really contemplating it.
Okay, dig in.
Scared. Ah. This is awesome. All flavors combined, they make one delicious, delicious flavor. This is yummy, Mommy. I don't like meatballs, but these ones are good. Dad, come.
It's actually really good.
Everybody's gonna love everything. Oh, that's good. I'm trying this piece.
This is like all mashed potatoes, but it does look good. That's really tasty.
I want to bring this home, please, and shove this in my bag. I love HelloFresh, and you will too.